Let's get to it.
Sad days indeed. Check this out. This is that Monstera that I just got. Not just got. It's been a couple months. But the dogs, man. I'm telling you, they messed this up. They came over here and took this off a little bit. I came out here and this guy was just baking in 115-degree weather. So, I mean, it's still alive. It's still good. I'm still going to keep at it. It just sucks because all the big growth is fried. But as long as there's green in here, Monstera, if it's anything like the regular ones, I mean, there should be no reason why it's not. This will grow back. You can pretty much propagate off of these green bits. Good thing I have two other ones going inside, just in case for stuff like this. But irritation to no event. Dogs. Animals in general, they can ruin everything. I'm gonna get these clamped on here. I got some of these clamps. These are the best things I've ever purchased. But we'll get that clamped, and that way it won't come off so easily. It'll stand up to that heat. But let's go look at this. So, ice cream banana. I have been covering it. I know they like full sun, but I don't really plant a lot of things in ground, so I wanted to give it some cover, see how it does. I don't see a flag leaf, so it's not really going anywhere, but it's not dying either. So, I'm probably gonna, once we get to the lower hundreds, I'll take this down and we'll see how it goes. But for now, I mean, it's not looking bad, but I think it would look worse. I tried it a little bit in the beginning and it looked like it started to get a little bit toasty. But it's literally, it's just like it's on pause. It's not moving, it's not going anywhere. And I'm sure this is the culprit. It's getting blocked from all sorts of sun. Everything else is growing around it though, so we shall see. Not even gonna talk about these guys. My fault though. I knew I was gonna have issues. You really don't want to mess with pawpaws. You want to get them to their home that first time and let them grow. We'll get a replacement and we'll try again. I don't give up. 9B Vegas, y'all. Let's grow.